Bitcoin's rocketing past $103,000 has ignited fresh interest, with a staggering 344,620 new addresses popping up in the last day alone. This surge in network growth suggests a wave of new users entering the market, driven by both price momentum and increasing privacy-focused wallet creation. With Bitcoin trading near $103,500, a 7% weekly rise, this momentum is showing strength. Low open interest, relative to its market cap, indicates stability, as spot-driven rallies often gain traction when derivatives positions are limited. Investors are clearly drawn to this sharp price action, signaling potential for sustained growth in the cryptocurrency space.